Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the GTA 5 enhanced sound problem. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type settings. Click on open it. On left side select system. On right side select sound. Scroll down and select more sound settings. In this list, you just need to select where speaker or headphone that you use to hear. In my case, I use headphone to hear and select a properties option and go to enhancement tab, disable all enhancements and select apply option. Now go to advanced tab, set this to 16-bit 48,000 hertz. If you have studio quality, then you just need to select the studio quality. In my case, I don't have this for 48,000 hertz. After setting this option, go to apply to settings and go to speech and sound and set this to off position and select apply and OK for settings. And now click on OK and relaunch the GTA 5 enhanced and your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.